Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam. In this video we will learn when to use capital letters. Let's start the video. Capital letters are used for two main purposes in English. One is to show the beginning of a sentence. Second one is to show that a noun is a proper noun. Let's check the rules. First one. The first letter of every new sentence is capitalized. For example, the postman delivered the parcel. In this sentence, T is the first letter. It should be a capital letter. And next sentence, it was very heavy. In this sentence, I is first letter. It should be a capital letter. Next rule, second one, the pronoun I is always capitalized. For example, my name is Gautam. I am a teacher. In this sentence, I is pronoun. I is always capitalized. Third one, proper nouns are the words which name specific people, organizations or places. They always start with a capital letter. For example, each part of a person's name is a proper noun. For examples, Gautam Raju. G should be a capital, R should be a capital. Shravani, S should be a capital. Jesse, J should be a capital. Ivan, I should be a capital. Jones, J should be a capital. Next, the names of companies, organizations, newspapers are trademarks. For example, Microsoft, M should be a capital. The Rolls Royce, R should be a capital, R should be a capital. The Round Table, R should be a capital, T should be a capital. The Times, T should be a capital. www, all three W's should be a capital. Next, given are pet names of animals. Example, Lassi, L should be a capital. Champion, C should be a capital. Trigger, T should be a capital. Skippy, S should be a capital. Sam, S should be a capital. Next, the names of cities and countries and words derived from those proper nouns such as languages. Example, Paris, P should be a capital. London, L should be a capital. New York, N should be a capital, Y should be a capital. England, E should be a capital. English, E should be a capital. French, F should be a capital. Next, geographical and celestial names. The Red Sea, R should be a capital, S should be a capital. Alpha Centauri, A should be a capital, C should be a capital. Mars, M should be a capital. The river Thames, R should be a capital, T should be a capital. Next, particular places such as streets, monuments, buildings, meeting rooms. For example, Manvir Road, M should be a capital, R should be a capital. The Taj Mahal, T should be a capital, M should be a capital. The Eiffel Tower, E should be a capital, T should be a capital. Room 222, R should be a capital. Next, historical events, documents, acts and specific period of time. For example, the Civil War, C should be a capital, W should be a capital. The Declaration of Independence, D should be a capital, I should be a capital. The Freedom of Information Act, F should be a capital, I should be a capital, A should be a capital. World War I, W should be a capital, W should be capital, 1 should be a capital. Roman number. So next one, months, dates of the week, holidays and special days. For example, December, D should be a capital. Monday, M should be a capital. Christmas, C should be a capital. Valentine's Day, V should be a capital, D should be a capital. Note, seasons are not capitalized. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. These are small letters. Next, religions Deities, scriptures, for example, Christ, C should be a capital, God, G should be a capital, Jonwa, J should be a capital, Muhammad, M should be a capital, Christianity, C should be a capital, Islam, I should be a capital, Judaism, G should be a capital, the Bible, B should be a capital, the Quran, K should be a capital, the Torah, T should be a capital. Next, awards, vehicles, vehicle models and names, brand names. The Nobel Peace Prize, N should be a capital, P should be a capital, P should be a capital. The Scout movement, S should be a capital, M should be a capital. The Ford Focus, F should be a capital, F should be capital. The Bismarck, B should be a capital. Neelex, K should be a capital. Hover, H should be a capital. Note, you don't need to capitalize the names of any currency in English. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.